Hey everyone, Priya this side again. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So today I have come up with an interesting video which is how to start an art journal or sketchbook. Actually, one of my subscriber asked me to make a video on how to start an art journal or a sketchbook. So here I am. Okay, so before we start, let me tell you some pointers which you should keep in mind while starting an art journal. First thing, there is no correct way to start an art journal. Okay, so do whatever you feel like. Do like scribble on it, do painting, and whatever comes in your mind, just interpret on it. There's no correct way, like you have to do this, like that, like people used to do it. No, it's your art journal. Make memories with it. Go for it, just open it, what comes in your mind, just draw it, or whatever you see around yourself and you feel like drawing it, just do it. Actually, I'm not a big fan of art journal or sketchbook, but I like to keep them. Actually, I don't paint much on them. I used to work on sheets rather than these sketchbooks, but sometimes I feel like scribbling on it. So I'll flip through them and will show you what I have done. Okay, so let's start. So here's the first page where I have made some mandala patterns, some unique mandala patterns. Actually, I made a video on it as well. This was the first video I uploaded on YouTube. And in second page, I have this beautiful tape peeling abstract art. Actually, I have pasted all the masking tapes which I used on my paintings, and I used to stick it here, and they look amazing. Then I made these some random patterns, some simple patterns, and then I have this happy Easter card idea which I shared on Easter. Then there is one more tape peel abstract art, and here I have made some pointers like paper notes and some arrows, like some art journaling ideas. You can try it out. I made a video on it as well. And then some failures. Always sketchbooks and art journals keep our failures as well. And here I have this beautiful swatches of my colors which I bought some days ago only. And then here are some rough ideas which came onto my mind. Then I just scribbled on it so that I don't forget about it. And yeah, that's it. And here at last I have some mess which everyone used to do at last, right? Yeah, that's it. This is the first journal which I have done. Let's start with the second journal. So here is the sticker I made. You can learn this one. I'll just keep this video on I button. So this is the first page of my sketchbook which I started on this new year only, and I was trying some calligraphy, so I made this floral and this happy new year written on it. Then here second page I have made this this muffin and a donut which looks quite realistic, and then some like unfinished mandalas. I haven't finished them yet. And then here's the cute little mandala. This is the mini mandala, and this is one of my favorite to get the colors. This is so beautiful. Then I have this rainbow. Actually, there's a trick to make this perfect rainbow. You can check out on I button or in description how to make this one. And here are some patterns. I just love these patterns. Then here is a bunny, Bugs Bunny, you must have seen, and this one I made some days ago. So I made this background and wrote a quote from a novel which is only staying active will make you want to live 100 years. And then again a pattern and a calligraphy you can write on it, and this looks super and beautiful. Okay, so here is one more pattern which I made. I quite didn't like it, but yeah, how it looks. Then here's Oswald. Okay, so I'll tell you one term art journaling which is something like you do it with vintage theme or anything, whatever you see around yourself, you just stick it and make something on it. So I'll share with you, like with waste stuffs you can make amazing art journal. Like it looks beautiful. So here I have this cardboard, and I'll just tear the paper off from it and paste it like this. Then I'll take a newspaper and just roughly cut it out and stick on other side of the paper on your sketchbook. I am using this copper color at the edges of the paper, and then I'll make mandala on it. So I'll show you the process of mandala. Here we go. Beautiful it looks, and I'll make some leaves over here or some flowers, like some line art. Just see. And yeah, we are done. How it looks, do let me know in the comments. I just loved it. I hope you also like it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you are troubling with anything, just do let me know in the comment section. I am ready to help you, and thank you. Hope you are all safe and stay at home. Thank you for watching.